Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel the next day again to South Africa. If I don't know wherever you're watching my channel from, my name is Zandile from South Africa to South Africa. I think it's the afternoon now. I don't know wherever you're watching myself from. So guys, I'm just here in nelspruit. Let's see what nelspruit has for us. But I think I did post a video yesterday about nelspruit, but that one, it was the marketplace. So let's see what we see today to nelspruit. So let's go and see those kind of shops where they are having those kind of clothes. So stay with me, I will be staying with you. So we are going there. Stay tuned. So this is how nelspruit looks like. I'm just taking you to the street of nelspruit now. I want those kind of shops. I think the next line, this next line or this line, there are those shops where they are selling something. Let's wait. Yeah, nearby Home Choice. It's nearby Home Choice. See? So let me cross, guys. There is nothing, I can't wait. So we keep on moving. This is my nearest town where I can play to every day. So let's keep on moving. Those kind of shop at that side. So if we are getting, I think it's that side or the other line, but we are getting there. Let's go. I have to go to that shop, but let's first finish what we are doing. Let me have some sweets. Njani? Oh, Natalie. Okay.
The whole you.
The whole myself, ne?
Yes.
Tell them a sweet.
Okay.
Mtukushafuna ngikhuluma. Yeah.
Nikahle njani?
Kakhulu. Ngiyindeka ukuthi imali yami ngimuhle so. Mina 1 rand.
Makusele.
Okay,
Makusile basisesha nabulapho.
so guys, I just bought this just to snack on the way. Yeah, ne? Yabonga. Manning fish. So guys, as I was telling you, I'm looking that kind of shop. I think it's this line. I'm lost. When I'm walking, I'm getting lost. But I think if this is true, I think it's this side. So here we go. If it's not there, I'll come back. If it's not that side, I'll be back. I'm getting lost myself. I'm seriously getting lost. Let me jump to that side. Yes, is that right? So I should have taken the down line, not coming up like one street, the second street. I should have used that street because this is the third street. That is why I'm too far now to those kind of shops that I'm looking for. Keep moving. I find myself too far, but let's keep going. I like this place. It looks like somewhere in USA. I don't know how, why. It's so clean, it's so unique. Apart from nelspruit, this road, it's so unique. It looks like somewhere in USA. I don't know. Mostly when I'm in this road, I just feel like I'm in US, I'm in UK. I don't know why I feel I'm having this feeling. I can be walking to all of nelspruit, but once I'm in this line, I feel like I'm in somewhere in USA. So I told me, guys, if I'm not chewing this gum, I will be mouth dry. So I'm chewing the gum. I don't know. Look at it. I don't know. It's the way I view it, or it's my imagination that I feel like I'm somewhere. So here we are. Moving. Keep moving. So, hello. So, I think now I'm in a right street where I was trying to reach. Now I'm in a right street. So, here we are. They are selling those kind of dresses, you know, your own style. So, here is my brother. I want to be on YouTube. You will be on my. Hi. No, I came here. No, a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. Guys, meet my new subscribers. Yeah, meet my new subscribers. Those are my brothers. Thank you. Okay. Guys, I was coming to this kind of shops. There is these shops, they are having something that I'm having a taste of. So let's see. Maybe I can like something inside, but outside I don't see any. I didn't have a choice. I think what they are having outside is what they have inside. So I get in and try to look if there was nothing I can choose. So let's go to the next shop. Let's go to the next shop. You know, everyone having own style. So I'm having my own way of wearing. So guys, look at how they do that in South Africa. I'm telling you, South Africa is the cleanest country also. Look at this. They are waiting for some truck to come and pick it. You can't find things big on the floor. So This is one of the best clean countries, Mzansi. Not because I'm from Mzansi, guys. I'm telling you, look at our street. They are so clean. They are so clean. I'm telling you, best, cleanest country. So we are clean, guys. You can't be finding some plastic littered on the floor. No, it's clean. I'm telling you, it's clean. We're having dustbins. So yes, we do have some plastics because people, when they walk here, we are not from the same household. Like this one, it's a dustbin, but someone will come with a plastic and just throw on the floor. But it's the cleanest country. So let me jump to that shop now. Let's go. So guys, as a plant lover, you know I can't pass any plants, so I was checking those plants to that person. They don't have whatever I want, but he said he's having more at home. So next time he will call me if he's having 2-3 different plants that I don't have. So here we go. I think we are getting done. It's a bit cold outside. We have to be home. These people, they are selling same thing. Let me check. People mostly, when they sell something, they are selling the same thing. I think they are getting the stock in the same place. So even if you can go to this shop, you'll be finding the same thing. So I think we are getting to the end of the street market where there are shops. So, but we are still going back there. I'll show you. I will show you where to. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to do so. Do not forget to do so. I'm looking at it. So we continue going. I think the previous video, yesterday video, I was in this building. Like you see this building, I was that side. So today I'm this side. The video that I posted yesterday, if you have watched my previous video, I was showcasing about Nelspruit. The busiest market is on this other side. So now I'm just outside of that market, but still in Nelspruit. Yebo. Yenda mnwala la. Yeah. On going. We keep on going. Where I am now, it's somewhere around the taxi rank. The taxi rank is this side. I'm just lazy to go that side, but it's taxi rank like. So this is how it is in Mzansi. This is how we do business. So there's my brother. He's eating go slow. We want to show them we are having these snacks from Mzansi as a snacks. The name is go slow.
It's a street man, this one.
A street man.
Yeah. Street man.
How is a street man?
It's a street man.
So guys, we are having this brand. It's so nice. This
It's
one.
very nice.
I think once you open the packet, you have to finish it because it say eat some more, eat
This
some
one,
more.
No,
Yes.
we eat half and throw it away.
We You cannot
We eat
eat all of
avocado.
it. It's big thing.
You can't finish this.
Oh,
thing.
you eat half of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Then
also you
you-
can taste.
you
very
throw
nice.
So
away.
this, I'm having a chapis. This
Oh,
is
yeah,
our
throw the
our
chapis
brand
away.
in Mzansi. It's barbecue flavor. So this
It's
is
your brand.
it's
And then
our brand
The
in
one and
Mzansi.
tell him the one is eating this thing
Mm.
is driving a nice car.
Driving and I say, oh, this is the car.
VW.
Yeah, it's driving the
You
pickup.
must drive a VW if you eat this.
If you eat this, you'll
Yeah.
be rich. You get rich. I
Yes.
think I must buy it when I have money. I have
And
to
then
buy
and
it
also you can drive the Golf.
VW.
when you eat this. Thank you very much. You can see Lana. Bye bye. Okay. Come. So guys, excuse this. It's just for today. Mzansi is clean. Mzansi is clean. That one is just for today. So, and there are ladies who are making hair. I don't know is how much, but they are, more especially to this road, they are planting hair. So this is their job. It's what they do. I think every day they are here. So come and support them. And they are making also nails. So guys, you can see this is taxi rank. This is the mode of transport that we are using in Mzansi. This is taxi rank, the main station of the taxi. Different places you go using this line. So let's cross. You can see the beautiful mode of transport that we are having in South Africa. So let's cross. I want to be on the other side. Or I can walk here. This is the mode of transport that we are having in Mzansi. Beautiful as. So I want to jump there. And also we are having the car wash. Hello. So have the pro. Yeah, they can watch. Hello, put. What's in? Yeah, a video. Buke mine kuya ngawe if uyafuna kuvela yeah kuvele mine ne. So guys, here is my brother on the street of Nelspruit where they're washing cars. Like, bring your car guys, it will be new, like from the garage. Like this one, they brought it for a washing. I can show you from that side. They are washing cars. They are washing cars. Approaching the taxi rank. You can bring your car on your left going to taxi rank. You can bring your car, it will be new. Like, so even my brother here is having his own business. What is your business? We keep on moving. We keep on going.
Soweto Marathon Trust spokesperson Thokozani Masuku told us it is voting.
Keep on going. So guys, this is how they wash the car. Look at it. Look at how it's clean. Look at how this car is clean. It's like it's coming from the garage. Look at it. And the way you put them next to the taxi rank before you reach to taxi rank, come and support them. So you wash your car. Ngabona phakathi.
Vula mama.
Okay. Oh, wow. Wow. So guys, look at it. It's like from the garage. This is how clean it is. So, okay. So guys, we keep on moving. We keep on moving. Hello, Pod. Sonia Pega. Wow. Inhloko yini?
Siphela eshupi.
Okay.
Phela eshupi.
Seliphalishi ngiyothenga.
Aliphalishi siyathenga.
Siwilo ngwembe.
Ingwembe nayo khona.
Oh. So guys, when they are busy working here, they do have nipeka every day or banana
Angithi nje kwesikhashana.
just for today to chill.
Yeah.
Yes, so they did cook this beef stew
Yeah.
today. Let me, guys, this is how we do in Mzansi. Ngeke nifake amatamatisi.
Asifaka amatamatisi.
Ungamele ekutheni ukuthi ngivele ne?
Yeah, sifaka ikhabitshi.
Okay. So this is how we do in Mzansi, guys. Oh no, fake cabbage.
Yeah, sifaka ikhabitshi. Siyafeka.
Guys, they will be adding cabbage.
Yeah.
They are not putting tomato or whatever.
Yeah.
They are adding
Come here.
cabbage.
Yeah.
And kubila kamnanzi njani.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Forward. We are going forward. Hello, Putwam. Ngikhona njani? Uyayishaya?
Yeah, ngiyashaya.
Ngiyayibona. Next time ngitobuya lana nami ngoba mina ngiwasha lemuva le. Next time ngitoba la.
Yeah, buya sinawazi.
Okay. Jabu. So guys, I was showing you how they do clean the cars. This side can be car wash, then across the road going there are shops going that side, and forward there it's a taxi rank. So this is how it is in Mzansi. So we go, and this is our traffic police. So we keep on moving. And this is what. Keep on going. And the weather is so cool today. The weather is fantastic, perfect. Oh, Putiza. Nila. Mishap. Okay, the friend there. Oh, sorry. Yes, this is the next car wash, boys. Thank you. Next time. Yeah. Guys, I think people, they get to a bit, they get to understand what is what. So hello, they get to understand what is what. So I think, oh, I'm still far. You know, next time I'll be going here. The space is too small. I have to walk this side. So I think this side they are busy. That is why I want to walk. Hello. Puma boy. Ngukhipe. Okay guys, you look at this taxi. Look at this taxi, how dirty it is. You won't believe after 30 minutes how it will be. So introduce yourself. Hey. Manyuku is washing the taxi, and after 30 minutes, guys, the taxi later by say like a new one. So let's come and support them on the street. On your left are going to taxi rank. Sharp name Manyuku. Sharp. Hello. Call them Jan. Yes. All these boys, mostly which one we are greeting each other, they are the one washing the cars. So we are about to arrive where I... Yes, Nyashu. The explanation was too long, asking what, and you have to break it for them. So